Do you ever feel like you're just too busy to grow your money? You want to invest and build wealth, but you don't have the time to keep monitoring and checking your investment. Are they growing? Is it doing well? You don't have that time. Between work, family, everyday life, the idea of investing can seem like a full-time job. What if I told you there are smart ways to make your money work for you, even when you are pressed for time? Today, I'm breaking down the 3 best investments perfect for busy people like you who want to build wealth without losing their sleep. These investment options don't need much of your time or plenty monitoring. If that's something you want to learn, Money Cheerleader Day for you. I'm Financial Jennifer, an investment banker, a chartered stockbroker, a chartered accountant, an authorized dealer in the Nigerian stock market. Most importantly, the lady cheering you to securing the bag and smashing your financial goals. On this channel, we are all about side hustle, investment, passive income, and the testimonies from our subscribers has been amazing. If this is the first time on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. You're going to love it here. Number 1 investment for busy people or someone that do not have plenty time to be monitoring is commercial paper. I'm going to explain to you what commercial paper means and how you can get started. First of all, it's like you investing with corporates, big companies, not just anyhow company. We've had the likes of MTN, Dangote, even the banks come to the market to raise commercial paper. So we are lending them money. At the end of the tenure, which can be 6 months or 9 months, you get back your money with interest. That's how it works. How does this work for you that is busy? Because from the onset, you already know how much you are going to make, the interest on it. Let's say the minimum for commercial paper is usually 5 million. So let's say you invest 5 million and your interest is like 1 million. So now you know that at the end of the day, you are getting back your 5 million plus your interest, which is your 6 million. Go and sleep. Nothing more to do. Now, what happens is that at maturity, the money will be paid back into your bank account. The interest rates on commercial paper now are really attractive. The last one I did is about 23%. That's attractive. It used to be higher than what the government should give you because the risk level is kind of medium. The risk is usually what if something happens to the company. But then, in the history of commercial paper in Nigeria, no company has ever defaulted. God, I beg go. We are not expecting any of them to default because come to think of it, it's not just anybody that can wake up any day and say they want to issue commercial paper. No, they have to go through some regulatory check to ensure that they are equal to the tax. So yes, if you're a busy person looking for investment option to start, commercial paper is way to go. How do you do this? You can use any broker or even on apps. I use AfriInvestor 2.0. It's an app by AfriInvest West Africa, one of the top investment banks in Nigeria. Let me know if you need a detailed tutorial video on how to invest in commercial paper. I don't want to keep this particular video long, right? So commercial paper, if you have the app AfriInvestor 2.0, you download it. So sometimes when you log in, you may not see any available commercial paper because it's not open every single time, right? Sometimes you go. It depends on if a company is issuing. Right now we have one. The name of the company is John Vent. It's closing today, Seth. But you're part of this community. If you're interested, I can always notify you when there are available offers. So whenever there is an available offer, if you log into AfriInvestor 2.0 under fixed income on commercial paper, you will see it there. It's very easy to do. Once you click on it, they will ask how much you want to invest in. Mostly it's minimum of 5 million. When you put the amount you want, they will show you your interest rate. It's as simple as that. But like I said, I think my next video will be on that. So look out for it. Number 2 investment, perfect for people that do not have plenty time in their hands, is Treasury Bills. Treasury bill is similar to commercial paper, but in this case, you are investing with the government. You are lending money to the government at the end of the tenure, which must be less than 1 year. So you can decide to do 3 months. You can even decide to do 1 month, right? At the end of the day, you are going to get your money and your interest. There is one we did recently for a client, and we got 19% for that client. Sometimes if you go through direct, you are going to get as high as 20-something%. But if you are buying from the secondary market, you are going to get something a bit lower. So when I say going direct, you are buying direct from the government. We call that one primary market, but the minimum is like 50 million. I know some of you now, we have that kind of money, right? But for some of us that don't have that kind of money, you can buy in secondary markets. That one, the minimum is 100,000 naira. So yes, whatever amount you have, so far it's up to 100,000. You can invest in Treasury bill. In fact, for Treasury bill, how you can do it, I have a detailed video where I shared my screen and showed you how you can invest in Treasury bill. I'm going to leave it in the description. So after this video, now just go there and watch it and see how you can invest and make money from Treasury bill. All you need, of course, is also a broker, but you don't even need to talk to anybody. All you can do is to download the app. It's the same app, AfriInvestor 2.0. When you download it, Treasury bill are always there. Yes, in a previous video, some people are like, when they log in, they don't see it. Please take note. The Nigerian market opens from 10, okay, generally for everybody, from 10 to 2. It's standardly 9:30 to like 2:30, but it's best to check between 10 a.m. in the morning to 2 p.m. So when you check on the app, you will see it there. If you not see it, you can reach out to them. You can reach out to the Afri Invest team in case something is wrong with your app. But if you enter during trading hours, you will see it there. Click on it. They'll ask you how much you need. Just go and watch that video. It shows step by step. And right now, the interest rates are really attractive. And you know, Treasury Bills, the risk level is low because they're investing with the government. So this is a perfect investment for you that do not have time to be monitoring. And you can invest and go to sleep, knowing that your money is growing. It's not because of your money that the government will run away now, right? So yeah, that is a perfect option for busy people. Number 3 investment that you can explore if you're a busy professional or a business owner or even a student. But before then, please, have you liked this video? Please, I would really appreciate it, right? I know they say numbers don't count, but for financial Jennifer, numbers count. I want to see that you like the video, and it's going to help you to know that you are doing something nice in this community. And I really have to appreciate Jesus. As at the time of this video, we have about 18,000 subscribers. I became serious on this channel just like 2 or 3 months ago, and the channel has been growing, like the family is growing, and it's not just in numbers. Have you seen our comment section? It's always a vibe, people connecting with one another. I love to see that. I'm really, really glad. Like when I left Instagram, I have over 150,000 audience on Instagram. Amazing women, right? Was coming to YouTube. I'm like, God, I hope say Nigerians, are they even really interested in things like that, finance, money? Most times Nigerian YouTube is entertainment, you know, movies, which I love watching a lot. But I'm like, let's see how it goes. And it's been an amazing journey. People are sharing the channel to their people. Thank you so much. It means so much to me. I'm grateful. Please like this video if you've not. A third investment you can consider as a busy professional is leveraging fintech savings platform or even your bank savings platform, but not the usual savings account we have. No, there are other savings accounts even with commercial banks. This is for those that don't want to use fintech platforms. You can talk to your bank, ask them for their savings account, the better ones that they have up to 10%, 12%. But if you don't mind fintech platform, that's even the best for you. We have the likes of Optimus, we have Piggyverse, we have Cowrywise. I have a video on the top saving and investment apps in Nigeria. I'm going to link it. You can go and watch it and pick anyone you want. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be talking about Optimus by Afri Invest. The OG members of this channel, they already know now. I always talk about Optimus by Afri Invest because it's owned by an investment bank, and I'm more confident in them. As an investment banker, I'm more relaxed knowing that this platform is owned by fellow professionals, right? So yes, when you leave your money on this fintech platform, you can just lock it as a savings. So on Optimus now, you can get as high as 20% on your money, right? You can put in like 1 million. That 1 million that you have been leaving in your account are paying you nothing. Move it to a platform like Optimus. If you lock it for 1 year and above, you are getting 20%. That is 1.2 million. That's a lot of money you make without lifting a finger, right? And you're doing your work, you're doing your business, you're earning your salary. This is how you can build wealth from the income you already have. You don't have to wait to when you make so much money. I pray all of us are going to blow. But even before then, you have 100,000. In fact, with fintech platform 1K, you can move it to the app, right? So decide on any one you want to do, lock it there and move on with your life. It's so easy that because unlike stock, this investment, you don't have to be tracking them. Is the market going up? Is the market going down? No, you don't have to be doing that with any of these 3 investments. So if you're interested in fintech platforms, I use a couple of them. I use Piggyverse, I use Optimus. I'm going to leave their link to sign up on the description so that you can check them out. But trust me, you are going to be very glad that you did. These and many more are some of the things we guide our students. I hold your hand personally and guide our students in the Wealth Builders Academy, which is a 3-week online school where we guide you, we assist you. Do you have issues with any of the platforms? We liaise with some of these investment banks, with the brokers to sort our students. Trust me, that Wealth Builders Academy is somewhere you should be. I'm going to leave the link on the description. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. So yeah, if any of the investments I mentioned interest you, I'm going to leave both the Treasury Bill, the savings app. I'm going to leave them on the description. Listen, in this community, we are talk and do. We are not the people that learn and just go and wait for the next video. No, yeah, we practice, and that's how we get amazing testimonials like this, right? I'm looking for your next testimonial. Go to the description now. Watch the video on how to invest in treasury bills and other instruments so that you can get started. I'll see you on that other video, financial family.